Let's fix green text messages on your iPhone. Now, if you're trying to text with somebody and it's normally a blue text message, but it's turning green right now, I'm going to walk you through some steps to get that fixed. Now, the first thing that we'll want to do is we'll open up a web browser and we'll just type in speed test because you want to check your internet connection as well as the other phones because ultimately iMessage runs through the Wi-Fi or cell data. It doesn't run through your carrier like an SMS text message, the green bubble will do. So let's run a speed test here. If you have a fast and stable internet connection, then you're good to go. That is not the issue. The other thing we're going to do is we'll hop into messages here, and you can see these messages are blue. If I turn on airplane mode and I send a text, hi, you can see it starts at blue and then switches to green. That's because my internet is turned off. I can hit that little I can try again, but ultimately I can get that back and switch it from being green to blue by doing a few things. I can swipe down and turn my internet back on, so make sure that you're connected to a good internet connection. I'm going to go into my settings here. I will scroll down until I find messages, and then I'll toggle off iMessage, wait a bit, and then toggle it back on. And you can see that it basically says waiting for activation. It's going to reactivate my iMessage. Once that's done, I can hop out of there. And last step is just to close out of all of those apps, including iMessage. Let's go back into messages. Now, this sometimes works, and I'll walk you through another step if it doesn't work. So let's go in here and we'll type in hi, and it still sends it as text message. Even though I have turned on iMessage again and my internet connection, sometimes just going through those steps switches it from green to being blue, but potentially sometimes your iPhone or iMessage does not register that it is now an Apple device. So the best thing that you can do is let's go back here and we'll just delete this conversation. We will tap the pencil and paper at the top right, and then we're going to type in that phone number again. Oh, if I could type. No. And go there, and you can see now I can text and it is back to being a blue text message bubble. So of course there's a downside to this because I just deleted that conversation, and you might not want to delete the conversation. The best thing that you can do is if you don't want to delete it is you can just wait. Basically close out of all of the apps, try toggling that iMessage on and off. You might want to restart your phone, but ultimately you might just need to wait for your phone to register again that that is an iMessage device or an Apple device. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.